Hello and welcome back friends in your favorite channel learnagro.com. Today we are going to learn about Ficus benjamin plant or Swami plant in Nepal. People grow it for decorative purpose as well as for some religious purpose as it brings good luck to you. So without further delay, let's begin. Take some branches of Ficus benjamin plant or Swami plant. Here I have collected few branches. Now make the branches of 5 to 6 inches long and remove the lower leaves and just keep some leaves only at the top. So here I have taken a seeding tray and cocoa peat for doing this test over here. This is the rooting hormone, and just dip the branch in water and dip in the rooting hormone and now place in the cocoa peat like this. And similarly placing all the branches and water it. So this is the first way, and other way take some plain water and the water with rooting hormone, and we will check which one will do the best. Put some branches in the rooting hormone water and other branches in the clean water, and keep this in the window for a few days. Taking after 10 days, you can see the white spot. They are the place from where the roots will grow, and you can see here here also not much of the roots has grown, so there is not much difference in growing in rooting hormone or normal water. Just do it in any way. So here I am planting some branches which has grown some root in normal garden soil, and just water them. So I have prepared like this. I will keep this in the window, and after 20 days you can see that I have left some branches in the water and they have grown some good roots, and you can see other branches also has grown some good roots, and now I will plant them in the cups. So here planting in the seeding tray was not a good idea. Just only one branch has shown some growth, that also has some poor roots in it, so I'm not sure whether it can make it or not. So I'm just giving a try, putting the cocoa peat and watering it. So checking after 50 days, you can see these branches are doing quite good in these cups. I have left in the sunlight so that the growth will be faster. You can see healthy leaves and number of new branches can be seen. And here in another cup you can see the quite good network of roots down there also. Some of my branches did not do well and they just died off. So here are my brothers. They are going to transplant these branches in the bigger pots. These pots are filled with 50% garden soil and 50% compost, and just keep it like this and water it. And within 4 years of planting, my plant has grown 10 feet tall, and I am quite satisfied with my result. If you have any queries, please comment below or visit learnagro.com. The link is below in the description. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from Learn Agro. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.